Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Amazon Pay Later account. First of all, open the Amazon app on your phone. Here tap on Amazon Pay. From the options available, select Amazon Pay Later. This is where you can view your transactions and repayment history. For the time being, this is not available. So, go to Settings by tapping on Menu from the main page. From the bottom, select Customer Service. Scroll down to select Talk to Us. Here, tap on Amazon Pay. Then click on Amazon Pay Later. Then select How can I repay Amazon Pay Later? After this, click on Continue to Customer Service. Provide your phone number here. Now tap on Call Me Now. Refresh your page and select Amazon Pay. So here, your account will get deleted. This is how you can delete Amazon Pay Later accounts. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.